and serve the country. For those of you who have returned to the Philippines to be part of this program, I'm glad that you have found us to be a good fit for your skills and talents. Under the theme Innovasyon at ay Solusyon, sama-sama sa isang layunin ng sagana at matatag na kinabukasan, we reaffirm our collective commitment to build a future of prosperity, resilience, and sustainability. For the past 3 years, much has been done to contribute to the 4 strategic pillars of DOST. That is wealth creation, wealth protection, human well-being, and sustainability. Your research, innovations, and interventions showcase the power of collaboration between government, industry, and the academy. This gathering today serves several purposes. First, we will hear from our S&T fellows about their work in varied fields, ranging from alternative food sources to sustainable ecotourism, and how they redound to our collective efforts towards nation building. This event also is an opportunity to forge and strengthen partnerships with our different stakeholders, paving the way for new innovations and ventures that will contribute to our vision of a prosperous Philippines. We are also joined today by many of our colleagues from DOST, and I want to thank them for recognizing the talents of our fellows. I encourage you to continue supporting them as we work together to reach common goals. It is crucial for everyone in the DOST community to recognize the vital role of our playing in driving innovation and advancing the nation's scientific agenda. To the S&T fellows, the expectations on you are high, not just from me as the project leader or from the immediate supervisors, but from millions of Filipinos who look to science, technology, and innovation as keys for a better future. The work you do, whether it is in the laboratory, in the field, or in crafting policies, will help shape the trajectory of our country in the years to come. I challenge you to go beyond recognition and make tangible contributions to DOST's pillars of wealth creation, wealth protection, human well-being, and sustainability. You are not just supporting DOST's mission, you are the driving force behind finding solutions to the country's pressing issues and creating opportunities for the bagong Filipino sa bagong Pilipinas. I want to see you actively managing multiple projects, strengthening our research capacity, and boosting our 6 P's outputs, and I trust that you share this vision as well. Finally, I see you as mentors of young minds and leaders within the STI ecosystem. By collaborating with researchers, engaging with industry, and shaping policy, you will help build a culture of excellence in the science and technology. Your efforts are essential in strengthening our nation's R&D capabilities and driving innovation for socio-economic growth. So I urge you, S&T fellows, to fully realize the impact you can have in shaping our nation's future. As our theme states, sama-sama tayo sa isang layunin. Together, let us turn our vision of prosperous Philippines into reality. Maraming salamat po, and I wish all of you good afternoon.